can you support a resilient lifestyle for teenagers? Now, similar to adults, children also go through a lot of pressure. Now, this pressure could be due to trauma, due to bullying, due to abuse, due to academic pressure, unhealthy relationships, or any kind of social pressure that comes. Now, across all these, the most common forms of mental problems that are seen with the teenagers comes in the form of depression, anxiety disorders, and post-traumatic stress disorders. Now, how can you help teenagers come out of this is a very important question. Few things that you must keep in mind. One is the most ignored but yet an important aspect, healthy eating or a healthy diet. Now, when I say healthy diet, it includes a diet which is junk free diet. The next is making teenagers realize their self-worth and also developing appreciation for them. They need to get a platform where they are appreciated for the skill set and the talents that they have. Also, making or breaking a routine is extremely important for teenagers. So they have a very high potential for journaling as well as visualizing. So there are various tools which can help them grow or create a healthy atmosphere for themselves. Another important thing is once a teenager is there, make sure you acknowledge and celebrate their presence, which is an extremely important thing. If that's not done, these teenagers tend to go into a kind of mental stress, and this could further be detrimental to their health condition. So it's very important to have a resilient lifestyle for teenagers, and definitely parents and peer groups, family members, teachers and colleagues play an important role in it.